Yeah. Okay. So, hey guys. It's been a long time since I've actually filmed a video, and since I flipped one of these. Um, yeah. As you can see, there's a lot of change. I moved some stuff around. I got bruised. Got into skateboarding, and um, a lot of other stuff. Things in my life have been piling up, and I hope yours is doing all right. Whether you have responsibilities to other people, yourself, or your company, right? Um, Today is Thursday, and yeah, flipping video. This channel isn't really much for a bell song channel anymore, more like a um, podcast channel, since I don't really have a um, a certain topic relating to bell song flipping. I'm just flipping um, because it fills my background noise when I talk. Um, I haven't talked like this in a while, slow and um, on the spot. I think I used to do this for 10 minutes before, but now I'm struggling to actually keep up with just creating a 5-minute video. My girlfriend painted my nails. Oh, yeah, I got a girlfriend now, so ta-da, she did a good job. I just have a very rough hands because I like to live a rough lifestyle. No, because it's the only choice I have. But then again, everyone has it tough. Everyone has their complications. Everyone has their struggles. And yeah, let me elevate the view so that you can catch up more of my flipping. Also got a new phone. This is filmed on a OnePlus 11, wherein it's 4K quality and the AI enhancement is on. So lots of new generation stuff that I don't really want to keep in mind. I'll show you guys my skateboard. Here you go. It's a loaded Pokeball. I attached Paris Bear trucks on there and their hogs. I was supposed to uh, yeah, I was supposed to have it connected to my cruiser board, but I don't have my cruiser board anymore. I like to change my setups when, as you can see, yeah, I actually do like to play around with setups in everything I own. With my bell songs, I like to fiddle around, tinker about with the um, screws and blades and swapping parts out and all that jazz. That's probably why I destroyed a lot of bell songs in my life, and skateboards too. So with my skateboards here, let me see if I can show you guys. Ta-da! These are my three, well, four. You saw it. Well, there's five. There's a deck hiding behind this one. Leaves my balance on to point so that it's a bell song related video. This is my dancer on the top. I use it to dance, longboard dance, and freestyle board on the second level, and my downhill board on my third level. So my downhill board is rough and stiff. It feels like you're riding a nice solid door. My freestyle board is bamboo, so it has a lot of spring. And then my dancing board is a mix of Canadian maple and I don't even know, but it's really good. I slapped some skateboard wheels on there and some stock backfire trucks because that's all I had. That's a backfire board on the middle. Um, I tried to put skateboard wheels on it because it feels like a skateboard deck, and so that I could have more pop. But yeah, but today I think I want to ride my cruiser, which is this. It's newly set up. Um, I designed the oops, my toe. I designed the grip tape long ago. Ta-da! And the top I just customized it just this morning with an Atropos. Oops. With an Atropos knife. There you go. I was able to carve into the grip tape and carbon fiber with ease, I guess. Well, you could say with ease, but if you take a closer look, then yeah, I haven't worked with fiberglass before, like ever. So it was a new experience. Oh, Atropos knife. There you go. This is a pretty nice knife too. I use it to open my letters, mail, and packages coming from Amazon. Let me get some flips on this. I haven't really been flipping this at all because it's a live blade, and I feel like live blades are they take more confidence to flip, like just like that. It worries me, but I do them because living the life dangerously. And let me see what it looks like on screen. No, pretty okay, I guess. I actually wasn't able to pay attention, but a 6-minute video is fine enough. I have to get back to work. I think it's mahalo or take care or whatever they say. Make sure you enjoy your time, guys, because we can't turn it back. I also made a watch. I designed a watch of my face. Here, let me see if I can get into the light. Yeah, there you go. I designed it according to my face. As you can see, there's diamonds, and there's the rocks. As you can see, between 9 and 12 are my darkest hours. I like to imagine that these green things are made with emerald. So I have an emerald heart, an emerald snake, a nice emerald dragon over there. Yeah, holding a little dragon ball. Let me see if I can focus. 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 And holding a little dragon ball. And there's the bells. I have a compass in there. A nice crown with jewels. So these 3 are made with gold. And these are amethyst. And these are diamonds. Yeah, pretty quirky. Let's see what I did on the back. Ta-da! Oh, yeah. Pretty nice. Genuine leather. I don't think genuine leather bends like that though. Yeah, it was pretty fun designing this one. And yeah, it made me realize that you control your own time and that you have the choice to who or what you allot your time into. So yeah, peace out, guys. I actually don't have to get back to work. I just have to send a couple of files over, and then I'm gonna take a shower and get ready to skate. Yeah, be sure to stress about the things that are important and enjoy the things that are what you cherish. Yeah, finding the right English words are very hard to find, but I'm trying my very best. It got promoted to a 9-minute video, and now I have 40 seconds to end it. What do I do for the last 20 seconds? Maybe I'll just